list problem. So I just need to input the country name and I wanted to know the rank of that country as per its population. So that's the agenda for today's session. Stay tuned and what in column A I have country, in column B I have the population of those countries. So the first thing that you need to do is sort. But if you want the country with the highest population on the top and the country with the lowest population at the bottom, you would be sorting it in a descending order. Fine. You can see China at the top followed by India. So this is what is expected. Okay, this is what I want to do. So now after you sort it, what is next? So let us build a small little table, a lookup table of this sort. I have the country, I have the rank. I would just input the country name over here and I would get the rank in this cell. This is what I expect to do.